hour hand, minute hand. First I have to just clarify this. Okay, in some other questions I'll take so that it is clear, completely clear. Between minute and an hour hand, the difference of angles we have calculated. That was the answer to 45 degree. Okay, now come to question number 6. Now question number 6 is, question number 6, let me take, before that let me take this. Okay, now question number 6, what did it say? Let me talk about that. Now it says that in the figure this below, A is to B is 3 is to 5 and C is to B is 2 is to 1. What is the measure of the largest angle? Okay, what is the measure of the largest angle? That's the point. Largest angle is the B here. That's the point. Okay, now let us take, or in this figure B is looking, B is largest one, right? Let us take the question, 6th question. Now in the figure below, it says, in the figure below, with the figure, let me take that figure. This is the figure here. Now angle is this. This is C here, and this is B degree, C degree, A degree. Okay, so B are the angles here. So B is the largest one, but what is the ratio given to us? In the figure below, A is to B, we are given here, A is to B is equal to 3 is to 5, and C is to B is equal to 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. So if I just calculate what is the value of A, B, C, etc. Now BC here, since angle A plus angle B plus angle C degree is equal to 180 degree. Now if I just put this in terms of B or in terms of C, then we can calculate the other values. Let me take this solution. These things are given. A is to B is equal to 3 by 5, that means A upon B is equal to 3 upon 5, and C upon B is equal to 2 upon 1. These are given to us. These are given to us. These ratios are given to us. Okay, and this we know from the figure given. So A degree plus B degree plus C degree is equal to 180, because angles made above the straight line is 180 degree. This is straight angle. Okay, so from this, if I just calculate A is equal to, here A is equal to, if I put A is equal to 3 upon 5 B, and C is equal to 2B, 2 upon 1 into B, that means 2B. In place of C, if I substitute 2B, in place of A, if I substitute 3 upon 5B in equation number 1. So from this is suppose second one, and this is third one. From first, second, third. From first, second, and third, we get A degree. A is 3 by 5B plus B degree as it is. In place of A, we have substituted 3 by 5B plus B degree as it is plus C degree. What is C? Twice B. This is twice B degree equal to 180. The value has come out in terms of B only. So LCM, if I take 5, 3B plus 5B plus 5 to 10B upon total 5 is equal to 180. Okay. Now we have obtained here 3b plus 5b, 8b. 8b plus 10b is 18b. 18b degree upon 5 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, b is equal to 180 degree upon 18 into 5. 18, 180 divided by 18 is 10. 10 into 5 is 50 degree. So b is 50 degree. It is given to us. So let us calculate other values. So b is here 50 degree. You got 10 into 5. 18 degree upon 18. Sum is 18 here. So b is equal to 50 degree. What is this? A and C. Let me just calculate them. A is this. Now A is equal to 3 by 5 into B. That means 3 upon 5. B is 50 into 55. 10 times 30 degree. So A is 30 degree. A is equal to 30 degree. And C will be what? Twice of B. C is equal to twice of B. And C here is given to us as twice of B. Okay, C is equal to B into 2. C is equal to twice B. We are given here C upon B is equal to 2 upon 1. Yeah. That means C is equal to twice of B. This 2 into B, 50 degree. This is 100 degree. C is the largest one. So C is equal to 100 degree is the largest angle. Is the largest angle. This is the answer here. So C is equal to 100 degree is the largest angle. Okay, this is the answer. We have to calculate what is the largest value, largest angle in this. Okay, so whatever figure is given doesn't matter, but this ratio given to us was important one. So from there we have to calculate. Let's take now next question. Question number 7. Okay, question number 7 is question number 7. Let me just take question number 7. Okay, question 7 says that A, capital A, B and C are points on a line with B between A and C. Okay, so if there is a line, this is A between and B is in between. A and B and C are points on a line. B between A and C, so this is B suppose, and this is C. So between A and C there is B. Okay, let me take these 3 points here. Now what does it say? Then it says on a line with B between A and C, then let M and N be the midpoints of A, B and C. Now this is M midpoint, N is midpoint of C. Now it says that if M and N are midpoints of midpoints of AB and BC, AB and BC, okay. M is midpoint of AB and BC. Now it says that if AB is to BC is 3 is to 1, if AB is to BC is equal to 3 is to 1, or AB upon BC is equal to 3 upon 1. Okay. So what we have to find out? What is MN is to BC? Then what is capital M into N is to BC? Okay, so BC is whatever BC is there that we have to calculate. Now BC, MN is to BC. That is point. First of all, what are the midpoints value? Means AM is what? BM, AM, because total value if I calculate, okay, so AB is to BC 3 is to 1. Okay, some of the So this is 3:4 and 1:4. AB is equal to 3/4. Okay, and BC is equal to 1/4. This is the values of AB and BC we are taking. So sum of AB is sum of the ratios divided by into 3/4 the value of AB. Okay. Now if I just calculate, then what is the AB we have calculated? 3/4. Half of this will be AM. AM is equal to 3/4. Half of that means 3/8. No? Okay, divided by 2. This 3/4 divided by 2, because AM is MB is also, or BM is also 3/8. Right? This is this. Now what is MN or BN? No, BN and this. BN is equal to half of BC. Half of BC. BC is 1.4. It will be 1.8. BN is. NC is also 1.8. Now let us check what is the value of BC. We have just calculated. BC was 1.4. What is MN then? Therefore MN or MN is equal to, here it is MN. So MN is MB or BN plus BN. MBM plus BN. Now BM is, let me put the value of BM. BM is 3/8. Okay, and BN is 1.8. It is 4/8. 1.2. 4/8. MN is 1.2 here, right? MN is equal to 1.2. What is BC? BC is 1.4. BC is equal to 1.4 from this equation. This second, this is first, let me take. This is fourth, third one. This is fourth one. Now here this fourth, fifth one. This is sixth one. Only these values, from these values we have calculated this. BC is 1.4. MN is 1.2. Therefore ratio of MN is to BC. Therefore, there is a solution we have to calculate. MN is to BC is equal to, what is the ratio? MN is 1.2 is to 1.4. BC is 1.4. Now if I take 4 LCM, let me take 4 LCM, because we have to find the ratio. If we take the LCM same, LCM must be same. Whatever the value in the numerator, that will give us the ratio. That is the final ratio of that value. Okay, so final ratio of that value will be there. Okay. Let me just stop this. Very blackened. So final ratio is, we have to find out the ratio. The ratio, question 7 says, what is the ratio of this respect then AB? Okay, then what is MN is to BC? Means the ratio we have to calculate. So MN is to BC is what? And this is equal to 1.2 is to 1.4. Therefore, 4 if I take LCM, 2 is to 1. Ratio is 2 is to 1. Therefore, MN is to BC is equal to 2 is to 1. This is the answer. Okay, MN is to BC is 2 is to 1 ratio is the answer. Final value is this. 2 is to 1 is the answer of this question. So the ratio we have to calculate in question number 7. Let us talk about now question number 8. Question number 8 says, what is the question number 8? Now it says in the figure below, Lines K and L are parallel. What is the value of y minus x? Now try to understand. There are two lines here. Okay, this is line L and this is line K. Okay, line K and this is line L. Now it says these two lines are parallel. Figure below, in the figure below, lines K and L are parallel. In the figure below, lines K and L are parallel. This is given to us. Okay. Then what is the value of y and x? Okay, so what is given to us in between? Now it says that there is an angle here, and this is x degree, this is 45 degree, and this is y degree, and this angle is 45 and this is x degree. This is 45 degree. Okay. Now one question is, this we are given to us. Now in the figure below, lines K and L are parallel. What is the value of y minus x? What is the value of y minus x is what? This is the solution. Let me find out. This is the required thing. Question is that what is the value of y minus x? That's the point. Now here y is equal to, if there are two parallel lines and one line transverse line intersects, so this angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angles. Let me take if AB CD, if AB is parallel to CD, and let me take here this is line PQ, and PQ intersects, okay, let me take this PQ, R and S point, and PQ intersects AB and CD at R and S, then this whole angle, an angle BRS, this BRS angle equal to CSR, equal to angle CSR. Why? The alternate interior angles. They are alternate interior angles. They are alternate interior angles. Because of that, they are equal. So this whole angle equal to this. So here also, this line is transversal line, just like this PQ. This is just like this. So this whole angle, 45 degree plus x degree equal to y degree. So in the given figure, therefore, in the given figure, y angle degree is equal to 45 degree plus x degree. Why? Alternate interior angles. As they are alternate interior angles, because of that they are equal. This y degree angle is equal to angle made by this line with the L parallel line. So this total angle is 45 degree plus x degree. Therefore, y minus x is equal to 45 degree. Take x to this side, left hand side. It will be y minus x equal to 45 degree. Y degree minus x degree equal to 45 degree. This is the answer here. So answer of y minus x degree is 45 degree. This is the answer. Okay, so finally we have obtained this. Let us take next question. Now question number 9. Okay, now question number 9 is of what kind? Let me check that. Now question 9 says, in the figure below, line M bisects line angle AOC. Okay, so So there is line M here. This is M line. M line bisects angle AOC. Okay, let me take this is line here. AOC angle. Angle AOC. Okay, so here we have taken this is still line. Here it is A point, this is C point here. So this angle is equal to this angle. Both line M bisect angle AOC. This is O point. Okay, so we are given here that line M bisects angle AOC and line L bisects angle AOB. Line L bisects angle AOB. Okay, so AOB angle is AOB. If I take this is AOB. Here it is B point. AOB. Now there is a line L. This is line L. This is bisect angle AOB. Okay, line L bisect angle AOB. Alright, this is P point here. If I take P point here, let me take P point. This is P point here. C there, and this is E point on this point. The line L is there, no problem. And these points we have taken. Okay. Now it says that in the figure below, the line M bisect angle AOC. So line M bisects angle AOC and line L bisects angle AOB. What does it mean? It means this angle is equal to this angle. This angle equal to this angle. Alright. So what we have to find out? And what is the angle DOE? Where D? DOE. This is D, I think. This is D point. This is point D here, right? DOE. What is the angle DOE? Means half of this angle plus half of this angle. 90 degree, I think, because total sum is 180 degree. Alright, at the point. Okay, let's take this point. Solution. Let me put here angle AOE is equal to angle EOC, given that M bisects angle AOC. This is given to us, therefore this angle equal to this angle, and angle DOA is equal to angle DOB, given that line L bisects angle AOB. That line L bisects angle AOB. Okay, so these two angles are equal. DOA angle equal to this angle, but total angle, but angle AOC plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree region. Therefore half of this angle, therefore half of angle AOC plus half of angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Half of these two, sum of these two angles is 90. But this half of angle is, or half of angle, this is DOA, angle DOA plus half of angle AOB, we can take angle AOE. Angle AOE equal to 90 degree, or this is angle DOE, or angle DOE, because this complete angle is DOE. DOE, half angle this, half angle this, is this whole angle DOE is equal to 90 degree. So this is 90 degree answer. But we have to calculate what is the angle DOE. DOE angle is 90 degree. This half of this whole angle, because this half plus this half plus this half plus this half, total sum is 180 degree. Therefore, one half and this half is 90 degree. Simple. That's the point. Okay, so question number 9 completed. Now let me take question number 10. Now question number 10 is of what kind? Let me check that. Question number 10 here. Okay, let me just clean this. Further clean. Further clean. Okay, now question number 10, which we have to do here. Okay, let me take my first key. Now question number 10. Now it says that in this figure, P is, let me take in the figure, which figure? Let me write the figure here. We have the figure, this is Q point, this is 32 degree, this is 52 degree, let us take, and this is A point, this is P point, okay, this is R point, and this is B point. Now it says that in the figure, PA is parallel to RB. Okay, these two lines are parallel. Okay, then find angle PQR. You find angle PQR. So this angle we have to find out. Angle PQR is what? Here, if I take, let me take solution. Now if I draw a parallel line, let me draw a parallel line here, passing through Q point. There is a parallel line. This is parallel line we have drawn. This is parallel to both the sides, both the lines PA and RB. To draw a line, drawing a line, let me take, this is PA, PR, PQR we have taken, okay, AB we have taken, let me take CD. Draw a line CD through Q parallel to, which is parallel to which is parallel to both PA and RB. This is simple question because that will be true. Because any line in between two parallel lines which is parallel to both, if I take parallel line passing through Q, then it is parallel to both lines AB, PA and RB. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, angle CQP is equal to angle APQ. Why? Alternate interior angles. This is equal to 32 degree. Sorry, 32 degree. Why? Because alternate interior angles. One transverse line is intersecting these two parallel lines. These two, so this angle and this angle, above angle, below angle, that means interior angles. Alternate interior angles. They are equal. Alternate interior angles. So this angle is equal to angle CQP is 32 degrees. Similarly, angle CQR is equal to angle QRB is equal to 52 degrees. Therefore, this whole angle PQR is equal to angle CQP plus angle CQR, which is nothing but 32 degree plus 52 degree is equal to 4 and 84. 84 degree is the answer. Sum of these two angles is 32 degree plus 52 degree. That means 84 degree. This is the answer. Now this angle we have to calculate. What is the angle? PQR. Angle PQR equal to sum of these two angles. Therefore, their sum is 32 degree and 52 degree. Simple answer. This is question number 10. Completed. Okay, let us take next question. Now question number 11 is of what kind? Let me check that. Question number 11. Question number 11 says in the figure below, the figure B is parallel to, that it says 11th question number. In the figure, what is the figure here? Let me draw that figure. There is a line, and this is the line. This is the line. Then